Good morning guys, welcome to iFace Tech. We got this package from Temu. Yes, the package look a little weird, but it have a lot of different articles that we're gonna be unboxing. And let's test the quality of some of this product and see what we got. As you can see, we have different stuff like a drone, lamps, headphone, etc. The first package we're gonna open up is going to be, I believe this is a USB adapter to a SD card. Temu has product with that very nice price. Like the price are crazy, like really cheap, but also the quality of some of these products looks really nice. Next product is this beautiful lamp. It's like a sun lamp, something like that, kind of like mimicking the light of the sun, something like that. It looks cool. I mean, I love the design. As you see, it has like a little astronaut, something like that. It looks pretty. Let's test it all, let's connect it and see how this thing works. And after connectors, basically this is the light that you got. This is a beautiful design. I mean, if you like kind of the light of the sun, you just place this next to your desk. It's something nice to have. Our next product is a mini camera A9, and it says it's HD, and in the box you can see all the functions you have with this camera. Open it up real quick. You see the cables, we see the stand that it has, we see the camera itself. It's pretty cool. Look like it goes like this, and it have different buttons that you connect the camera. Looking at the camera itself, it looks cool. I mean, it's like a mini camera. I don't know if it's gonna do some espionage or something like that. That's something good to have. It have different modes. You can put it, I don't know, place it wherever you want, and it will be record everything. So basically comes with an app that you can use too. The little stand, you can use it to place the camera wherever you want. Jumping to the next product, we have like a USB LED light strip. It's very nice. You see the color is kind of like a blue, purple, something like that. It looks nice. It doesn't change the color. It's only blue, but it is USB. Next one, we got these G9S AirBots. Really nice. They look pretty. When you open it up, they look different, kind of unique design, very light. When you check the product, you will see, you open it up through here, you put in the bot inside, and they will start right away. Very colorful. It has like a lot of light when you close it. I believe it has a beautiful design. As you can see, you got the lights and you got the signals. I think the battery also. They beautiful. I like it. Here we have a tag, which you can use it to find your options like your key or all the stuff. Next one is a smartwatch, and judging for the box, it should be nice because the box looks pretty. Open it up, we see what is inside. All the stuff belonging to the watch. It's nice. Let's take this stuff out, and this is kind of the belt for the watch. It's kind of metallic, which is cool. I mean, it looks pretty. Looking inside of the box, we see the watch itself. Also, we see the charger. It looks pretty simple, but it's also really nice. Most of these products are really cheap. Like this watch, I think it's about like $10, something like that. And as you can see, it's nice. I mean, it works. The touch, all the stuff. Of course, you can see the time. But looking at the watch itself, it has different functions. It has Bluetooth you can connect to your phone. And again, it's only like about $10. And it looks really nice. You can see all the apps that come with the watch. The buttons work perfectly, and yeah, it's not an Apple Watch, it's not a Samsung watch, but only $10, and it's really nice. You can see different functions, do a lot of stuff, but pretty much you can do everything you do with the Apple Watch, and it looks really similar to an Apple Watch. Our last product is this E88 drone. It looks cool. I mean, judging from the box, it looks cool. You can see everything like 4K HD cameras, have an app control, you can fold the drone, also air pressure, all the stuff. You can do many things with this drone. It has this cute bag. When you open the bag and see inside, I mean, wow, I'm impressed. It looks cool. As you can see, the control feels nice. They have different buttons you can select. See what else we have in the box. We see one battery. This one comes with two batteries. This is the first one. Second one, per the description, battery life are really good. I mean, you need to test that. And here's the drone itself. As you can see, the legs of the drones or blade, whatever you call it, you can open it like this, because this drone comes to be, you can bend the drone in order to store it. And I don't know how to open this thing. Like, see, let's put this one back, and then yeah, it's like this, goes like this. You have to open up the first one and then the second one, so one's from the back. So yeah, there you go. This is already open, and it has weight. Is like, you know, it's not too heavy. It's light. Drone trough. You see one here and one of the legs. See, it looks cool. Looking from the back. I know what's for, and you see the button on this on the top, the power button. Let's put the battery and test it out. Okay, batteries already in. Here's the button. It won't work. Let's see. Oh, here in the back, they should remove this plastic thing, so you are able to turn it on. As you see right here, it has like this plastic stuff that you need to remove it before turning it on. Press the button, and here you go. A lot of likes. Pretty cool. Of course, I'm indoor here. I'm not gonna turn it on, but I will sure do a video later where I can test all the function of this product. So I'm gonna leave a link of all these products down in the description where you can go and get it on Temu. This is how some of them looks like. They are very cheap, they are very nice, and I will see you in the next video.